Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing the image you want, open Photos or Files, and pick a vertical photo that reads well on a phone. Make sure the image resolution is high enough so it won't blur when cropped. If needed, take a new photo. Once done, decide between live photo and a still. Live gives motion, stills conserve battery. Tap Share, then use as wallpaper to enter the editor so you can crop and position the image precisely. Now you'll crop and position the image for best composition. Pinch to zoom and drag to center the subject, making sure no important detail sits under the clock. Toggle perspective zoom if you want parallax motion. Turn it off for static framing and better clarity. Preview both lock and home screens since icons and widgets can obscure details. Adjust by recropping or applying a subtle filter. When satisfied, tap Set and choose whether this wallpaper applies to lock screen, home screen, or both. Finish by inspecting the result in everyday views. Unlock, view the home screen, and confirm widgets and icons don't cover critical parts of the image. If the wallpaper appears soft or pixelated, make sure perspective zoom is off and try a higher resolution source. This often restores sharpness. If the new wallpaper doesn't show, restart your iPhone or reapply the image. This clears temporary rendering hiccups. That's it. You now have a fitted, intentional wallpaper that looks great in daily use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.